Ocean circulation. When you visit the beach, you can see and feel the wet sand, the cool breeze, the seabirds, the smell of the salt in the air and the movement of the waves. The water of ponds and lakes is always calm, but the ocean water keeps moving continuously. It is never still. The movements that occur in oceans are waves, tides and currents. Waves. When you are playing throw ball on the beach and the ball falls into the water, what happens? It is fun to watch how the ball gets washed back to the shore by the waves. When the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls alternately, they are called waves. During a storm, the winds blow at very high speed. This makes huge waves. These waves can cause damage or destruction in places near the sea. A very large tidal wave is called a tsunami. This happens because an earthquake or a volcanic eruption or underwater landslides shift large amounts of ocean water. This causes huge waves in the ocean. They may be as high as 15 meters in height. The largest tsunami ever measured was 150 m high. In the year 2004, a tsunami caused a lot of damage in the coastal areas of India. These waves travel at a speed of more than 700 kilometers per hour. Tides. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called a tide. It is high tide when the water rises to the highest level and comes to the beach or the shore. It is low tide when water falls to its lowest level and recedes or moves away from the shore. The sun and moon put gravitational force on the Earth's surface. This causes tides. The water of the Earth, which is closer to the moon, gets pulled because of the moon's gravitational force. This causes high tide. During the full moon and new moon days, the sun, the moon and the Earth are in the same line and the tides are highest. These tides are called spring tides. When the moon is in its first and last quarter, the ocean waters get pulled in diagonally opposite directions by the gravitational pull of the sun and moon, causing low tides. These tides are called neap tides. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in definite directions. The ocean currents may be warm or cold. Generally, the warm ocean currents start near the equator and move towards the poles. The cold currents carry water from higher latitudes to lower latitudes. The ocean current influences the temperature of the area. Warm currents bring about warm temperatures on land. The areas where a warm and cold current meet also experience foggy weather.